What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a full review of the 2017 M4 Competition convertible. This one's in a really well, high desired, well spec, all white, beautiful white with a nice red interior that we're going to discuss a little later on in the video. When we're talking about M Sport, we're talking about performance, we're talking about extra styling, we're talking about aggressive styling, we're talking about a lot of race history, a lot of legacy, something truly special today. We're going to do a full detailed walkthrough and take it for a little ride as well. All right, let's go. So the spec of this one is really desired and well sought after. It's mineral white with Sakura orange interior, and it's a convertible, right? So it's your beautiful sort of, you know, summer car. Whip the top down. You got that beautiful Sakura orange. This one looks amazing in the dark as well. The white really pops. Tons of carbon fiber exterior parts. Really nice spec. So just taking a look at the front fascia here. We got the front splitter here. We've got a nice blacked out sort of kidney grille. The new one's got these big, ugly sort of kidney grills. This one's still got that nice traditional, really sleek sort of squashed down, aggressive looking kidney grills. You got your M4 badging. This one's got a beautiful custom license plate. I really like that. Beautiful BMW badging. And just that nice sort of squashed down, you know, sort of hunched over stance that looks really aggressive. Really like what BMW is doing here. When you see something like that coming up behind you, it's got that aggressive bulge, you know there's an M car behind you, coming up behind you. It's really aggressive and menacing. All right, to the wheel and tire, we've got M66 specific to the competition package, sitting on 20-inch rims, beautiful blue calipers, with nice M badging, you know, your BMW badging as well. Rubber here, we've got Michelin Pilot Super Sports. Taking a little seat back here, you got this functional air vent here that's obviously cooling the brakes, getting air coming through, right, channeling through. You got this nice M badging here and nice sort of chrome black as well. I really like these little detailed sort of features. And then right back to the M specific mirrors that look really sort of nice and winged here, you know, really functional and specific to M car. Feast your eyes on this beautiful carbon fiber side skirt that runs the length of the car on the passenger side. Really nice piece. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Really strong, rigid, super expensive piece, but really like, you know, puts the finishing touches on this car. Really like the look of it. Take a look at this gorgeous rear end. Have you seen another rear end as good looking as this bottom? This is a nice bottom. 4 quad pipes, all finished in carbon fiber. We've got a rear carbon fiber diffuser as well. The back spoiler, also carbon fiber, right? Just everything is oozing carbon fiber. Everything is accented with carbon fiber, which is so nice. Expensive, but if you can afford it, it's just such a nice touch. M4 blacked out. There's your beautiful M badging. You got another BMW badge there. Sharp Moves logo. Subscribe to the channel, please. And yeah, just a gorgeous looking rear end, and a really sort of aggressive rear end on the M4 Comp. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a convertible hardtop test on how long it takes to bring the hardtop all the way up on an F83 BMW M4 Competition. Let's go. All right guys, so taking a look at the BMW M4 Competition power plant. This one's been modded a little bit. It's been boot modded. It's got a stage 1 tune on it. Coming in stock, about 440 horsepower, 450 in and around torque. This one, after stage 1 boot mod, is now pushing 535 horsepower. It's faster than that, maybe over there right now, and 500 give or take torque as well. So 535 horsepower, 500 torque. So it's up quite a bit, and this thing is an absolute menace. It's a velociraptor on the road. It's very quick. So just getting a quick look at the twin turbo inline 6, right? Beautifully done here. There's your M-Power casing. This is another aftermarket part, looks really, really beautiful. Anything with those M badging colors looks really, really nice. I love how they finish that off. This is probably the nicest part in the whole car, or the nicest part in the underneath the hood for me, is that sort of, you know, that strut bar that holds everything together. Really, really nice, beautiful piece of carbon fiber. My eye is just drawn to that gorgeousness right off the bat. Everything else is pretty standard, pretty usual for a sports car. Pretty nice package. So first off, the door panel, Secure Orange. Look at how gorgeous that Secure Orange looks, right? Offsetted with the nice black soft touch leathers, right? You got your little tidbits of carbon fiber all throughout, right? Beautiful M Performance here, right? More M Performance stitching here, more carbon fiber. It's a gorgeous, very, very sporty sort of place to be. All that carbon fiber over there, right? Really, really high-end surround system, Harbin Kardon. You got your air scarf there with more M badging, right, on both sides. BMW, I've been in this car a lot. BMW does their air scarf really, really well. You can really, even on a cold day like today, you can drive your car and feel very, very comfortable because the heat really pumps out. Nice sporty analog dials. You got all your settings, your suspension, your traction control, everything there. More M badging along the kick plate. Beautiful M4. You got your memory seats here. Right, you got that extra little piece that you can pull out there. That's always dirty. That's super dirty in mine as well. We'll clean it up a little bit. Nice looking. All right, there's your headlights. Right, everything is powered electronically, right? You're in a German luxury car, so everything is high end. There you go. Got your storage space there, a little more storage space here. So just a good look at all the functions here, right? A lot of good haptic feedback here, right? Good, strong, solid buttons. Build quality is really, really high here. You got your screen there, all right? You got your glove box here, pretty standard glove box. This one can be locked, right? The owner's chosen to lock it, right? He's a bit of a control freak. A little bit of brushed aluminum there, right? Just really, really high quality all throughout the vehicle. Lane keep assist as well. You got all your functions here for your M2 button, your M1 button, all your stuff to do damage when you're on the road. Extra little creature comforts in the back. You got a little dual zone climate control there. You got a little extra storage there for cups. Another little storage area to put a couple coins and stuff like that. You're not really as an owner of this car, you're not really putting a lot of people back here. You can, but it's more to throw a gym bag and stuff back here. But there is storage space if need be. All right, guys, so that was the review on the 2017 M4 Competition. Again, this one's really, really rare. I've spent a lot of time with this car in the last little while. It's a good friend of mine, it's a family member's actually. Truly amazing, amazing vehicle. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. I've got a lot more reviews coming in the future. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of this car. Are you a BMW guy? Are you an Audi guy? Are you a Mercedes guy? Do you own an M4? Are you more inclined to buying the new M4s? What's your thing? Are you an F80 guy? Are you a G80 guy? F83? G80 guy? Let me know. I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what your kind of experiences have been, okay? If you're new to the channel and you're just browsing, taking a look, I urge you to watch a lot more of my other videos. There's tons of stuff on there. hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, take it easy.